Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and wondered which lip combination I should wear for the wedding events? Or maybe bought those beautiful lipsticks, but you're not sure how to pair them together and where to wear them. Watch till the end. The product details are in the description. Check it out. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share 3 lip combinations that you can wear on the wedding. Save this video for your next wedding event. Without any delay, let's get to the looks. Here is my first combination. This is from Mars. It's a Scandalicious brown shade. So as I outline, I try to blend this a bit. Now the same shade, I'm just going to little darken on the corners, just coloring the corners. I'm using K-Beauty red shade because red is always one of the most important wedding color, I could say. So without red, I think no wedding is complete. Red lipstick and red sarees are always must. Now this is in the shade Seductive. Do not, all the product details are in the description. You can take a look at it. Now let us quickly move to the next combination here. So for this, I'm using Mars liner and Swiss Beauty fuchsia pink. This is a little bright pink, but these are really good for mehendis and sangeet, all of that. And if you have a pink outfit, you can use it. If you have gold outfits, you can use red. If you have silver outfits, you can use pink. This is a similar shade. This is just to create a definition to my lips. For the second combination, I'm using a pink lip liner to define the lips and pairing up with a matte pink lipstick. Yes, pinks are one of the must-haves in the weddings, and this creates a soft, elegant finish, a feminine touch that is perfect for your freshness, natural looking, and still keeping that lips defined. Now you do not need to smudge it, you can directly go for it. This is a matte finish lip. If you want gloss, you can add gloss, but if it is not, still the matte looks really nice and very rich. You can pair it up with blue costumes, black costumes, any smoky eye. You can have a combination with silver borders and silver zari work and silver lehengas. These looks amazing. Well, this is our last lip look. In this, I know previous ones are very bold. One was creamy but red, a rich red, and the other one was completely a feminine color, which is bright pink. But here we are going for those who really love those nude, natural, fleshy color. That again goes for any bright shades, and if you're looking for a pastel shades and want to have the natural lip look, this is a beautiful combination too. One thing I want to tell you is sometimes the nude shades, the pastel shades look very dull on Indian skin. So for that, here is a trick that you have to follow. Take any brown shade, okay? So here I'm using Deep Dawn from Mars and going for the outliner. And same like the first one, we are just enhancing the corners. Just blending it because there shouldn't be any harsh lines. Now here I'm taking one of the beautiful natural peach shade. It has a pink shade in it, but it's like a flushy pink, okay? But this is a creamy texture. Again, these are good for your reception looks, heavy eyes, and you can go very light on your lips. But always and always remember, whenever you use a natural tone lipsticks, enhance it with a lip liner, and that gives you a very elegant lip look. At the same time, it looks very nice and natural too. And those are my favorite wedding lip combo looks. Which one you would wear? The glossy red or the elegant nude pink? The soft matte pink? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Self Makeup Mastery and share it to those who always think what lip combination to wear on the wedding. Like I always say, Tuesdays and Fridays every week, 2 makeup tutorials we launch so that you can learn the makeup for free. Glow with confidence in every occasion. I'll see you with another makeup look soon. Bye bye.